welcome. My name is Maryjane. When I was 35, I was the tender young mum of a 3-year-old boy and a brand new baby girl. I lived in England, in the southeast. I was frightened. We were in a rented house. My husband worked all the time to pay for the rent. So we didn't get to spend our time together. We also had to pay this huge out-of-control gas bill. I was concerned about the amount of people in the area all relying on a water company for water needs and the reduced rainfall. I was concerned about everyone relying on the fuel companies to bring the food that we want to the supermarkets. I was in a deep stage of grief that my children would grow up and hear the news and see the newspapers and think that these horrors that we do to each other and to Earth were normal. I basically could not bear it, and I knew there had to be another way. So I sowed a yurt and I visualized the life that I wanted for my children. It wasn't complicated. I wanted clean air, clean water. I wanted somewhere we could plant trees and watch them grow. And mostly I wanted to be able to live so that we had enough time to actually be together. We could afford the time. And I wanted my children's education to be led by their interests, by their inner wisdom. When the time was right, we left England. We took the yurts, we took that caravan you can see behind me. We took a solar panel, a bucket for a compost toilet, and a book, which was a directory of eco-villages throughout Europe. And that was 12 years ago. This is a peach tree that my daughter has grown from a stone. And over there is an apple tree that my son has grown from a pick. We have spent this time deeply immersed with nature. And I have come to a new understanding about what it means to be a human being, to be part of Earth. The horrors on the news haven't changed, but my ability to deal with them has, because there is a wisdom in the forest. It's a wisdom that flows in the streams, and it's a wisdom that sings in a bird's song. And that is the same wisdom that flows in our blood and sings in our hearts. And as we increasingly embody the knowledge that we are Earth, we are part, literally, of each other, then we can turn to nature and understand how we can transform the pain that we feel about the world into an incredible resource and a power for good. I've written a free guide. Please download it. Just click on the button below. I would love to share this wisdom of the forest with you.